supplemental picture. I can't show it to you because, of course, it's copyright. Alright, so it's 20, 22. 22, area 1. Come on. It has been a challenging course, especially with life around you. You're trying to concentrate on this, and you get away from it, time slips away. So, and you got to remember that when you take this test, it's going to cost you $150. If you fail it, you've lost your $150. So, depending on how much that $150 meant to you, there's a little pressure there, you know, especially when if you got to take it again, you know, you lost $150. So, and I've spent about $300 taking this course. So, you know, I got a little bit of money invested in taking this thing. So, you might want to take it as seriously as you can. Area 1. And clock on 700 feet. Visibility. I'm going to go with 1 mile, 1,000 feet above, 500 below, and 200 feet. I keep thinking that's 3 miles. 3 mile visibility, 500 feet below, 2,000 feet horizontal from each cloud. So I'm going to go with that one too. Yeah, that's right. 3 miles is usually the key. For this one, it's over Sand Point, less than 700 feet above ground level. So you want 3 miles visibility. You want 500 feet. You need 500 feet below clouds and 2,000 feet horizontally from each cloud. So if that cloud is 800 feet, you've got to have at least 500 feet. So you've only got 300 feet you can fly in. So keep that in mind. Alright, figure 26. Identify the airspace over Class G airspace, surface up to but not including 1,200 feet AG. Class E airspace, 1,200 feet above ground level, up to but not including 800 feet. Class G airspace, surface to but not including. Class G airspace, surface but not including 700 feet. Class E to 1,400 feet. So now I got to go to the supplement. 26, 22, 26. So 24. Takes a while the computer to go to the next frame. So 26. Oh, excuse me. 26, area 1. And Tomlston airspace. Johnson, McDouble, Tomlston, there. And back to my question. Identify the airspace over. And that's 8J7. Like air, it's all restricted area. It's got lines around it with the little fingers standing out of it. So right there, restricted airspace. Being blue. be being blue. This is the airspace on 1200 E class. G airspace. Not I gotta go with Class G airspace. Surface 2, but not including 700 feet. MSL. Class E space 700, but not including 4. Ah, nuts. It's almost on the same. I'm thinking the same thing. Class G surface, but not including 700 feet. But it's not. It's not including 1,200 feet AG. And then Class E. 1,200 feet AG, but not including 1,800. And no, it's Class E, 700 feet through. So, what's that one? Let's see. Which statement about longitude and latitude is true? Lines of longitude are parallel to the equator. Lines of longitude cross equator at right angles. Zero line of latitude passes through Greenwich, England. I gotta go lines of longitude cross the equator at right angles. Yes. So remember that. You're gonna have to learn latitude and longitude around the world. Your longitude going like this. Your latitude is going around like that. Alright. Go. Responsibility for collision avoidance in a controlled airspace rests with, first one, all pilots. Second, the controlling agency. 3, air traffic control. All pilots. You were responsible. Alright. A non-towered satellite with a same Class D airspace as that designated for a primary airport requires radio communication to be established and maintained with the primary associated flight station, service station. I gotta go with primary airport's control tower, satellite tower with the primary. Yes, with the primary control tower. You're gonna have a satellite airport, but you're gonna have a primary control tower. Okay. You know, when looking at a chart, that the floor of the Class E airspace is 700 above ground level when it is within the fuzzy side of the blue vignette, the fuzzy side of the magenta vignette, and the magenta dash line. I think each space is magenta. Yes. Class E is the magenta. It's kind of a purple. Okay. Convective signet, or significant meteorological information are issued for signet. Minor inclement weather forecast for the next day. Surface level rainstorms 3 statute miles from major airports. Severe storms with surface winds greater than 50 knots. Hail at the surface greater than or equal to 1/4 inch in diameter, or tornadoes. A convective segment, or significant meteorological meteorological information are issued for, in this case, severe thunderstorms with service winds greater than 50 knots.